Automatic backups mean you never have to remember to protect your files. In this video, we will explain setting up automatic backups in Windows. The goal is to have your important files copied regularly without any effort. One built-in method is File History. Connect an external drive, then go to your settings and look for backup options. Turn on File History, select your drive, and choose how often it backs up and how long to keep versions. Once set, it automatically saves copies of your files on schedule. Even keeping older versions you can restore. Another powerful option is Cloud Backup. Services like OneDrive sync your chosen folders online automatically, protecting them even if your computer is lost or stolen. Set it up by signing in and choosing which folders to back up. For a complete safety net, combine both, keeping local copies for quick access and cloud copies for disaster protection. You can also schedule full system image backups for restoring your entire computer. Test your backups occasionally by opening a saved file. With automatic backups running quietly in the background, your precious documents, photos, and memories stay safe no matter what happens.